Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use frequency analysis in Audacity during the mixing process. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to select the portion of audio you want to analyze. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the specific part you want to examine, or if you want to analyze the entire track, simply double-click on it to select all the audio at once. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar of Audacity. Click on Analyze, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Plot Spectrum. This is a powerful tool that gives you a visual representation of your audio's frequency content. Once you click it, a graph will appear showing frequency versus level. This graph essentially displays where your audio has the most energy across the frequency spectrum. As you look at the graph, pay close attention to broad areas where the song shows a lot of energy. These peaks and valleys tell you which frequencies are dominant in your mix and which might need adjustment. Keep in mind that you'll need to repeatedly select and analyze different sections of your audio to get a complete picture of how your frequencies are distributed throughout the track. This helps you identify problem areas that might need correcting. Once you've finished analyzing, go ahead and close the spectrum window. Now we're going to start applying some corrections based on what you discovered. Click on Effect in the top toolbar, then hover your mouse over EQ and Filters. From the submenu that appears, select Filter Curve EQ. This is where you'll make your frequency adjustments. In the Filter Curve EQ window, click on Presets and Settings in the top left corner. Then hover your mouse over Factory Presets. You'll see several options here, so let's start with Bass Cut. Select Bass Cut from the list. This preset is particularly useful if your voice or audio has rumble or sounds boomy in the low end. It cleans up those muddy low frequencies that can make your mix sound unclear. After selecting it, click Apply in the bottom right to make the change take effect. Now let's explore some other useful options. Click Effect in the top toolbar again, hover over EQ and Filters, and select Filter Curve EQ once more. Click Presets and Settings in the top left, hover over Factory Presets, and this time select Treble Cut. This preset is incredibly useful if your audio sounds harsh or overly bright in the high frequencies. It smooths out those sharp, piercing sounds that can be fatiguing to listen to. Click Apply in the bottom right to implement this change. Let's look at one more option. Click Effect in the top toolbar, hover over EQ and Filters, and select Filter Curve EQ again. Click Presets and Settings, hover over Factory Presets, and select Bass Boost. Now this one comes with a word of caution. You'll generally want to avoid using bass boost for vocals unless the voice genuinely sounds thin and lacks body. Overusing bass boost can make your mix sound muddy and unbalanced. Once you've made your selection, click Apply in the bottom right. And there you have it. You've learned how to analyze frequencies in Audacity and apply targeted EQ corrections to improve your mix. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.